Hey guys, just doing a quick demonstration of the Titan antenna car mount system. It's pretty nice. Lets you fly from inside your vehicle. So when it's really cold or really hot, you can set up inside and stay warm or cool. Right now I got the 7 dB whip antennas on it, and I'm going to take it inside here in just a minute and get set up, and I'm going to do a short flight using the Titan car mount system. So stay tuned. Okay, I'm back. I am now in my vehicle, and see up there is my antenna mounting system with my cables coming in. I just run them through my cracked window, and this is my current setup. I have my iPad Air 2, and here's my modded remote. Now you can stick your omnis or whips directly on your controller and fly like that. In your vehicle you have two cables coming from your exterior antennas, and the great thing about this is you just have two cables and they plug right in like this, just clip in. No screwing, none of that stuff. Just a quick clip system. And there you go. And I've got my iPad hooked up. And we're going to I'm going to start my live stream on YouTube here in a minute and do a screen recording too, and then I'll edit it all together later and give you the full video. But I just kind of wanted to show y'all it's a very nice system. I mean, you don't have to worry about being cold, you don't have to worry about being hot. You really don't have to worry about people walking up on you and bugging you, because you can park somewhere and just, launch real quick, get in your vehicle and fly. And I usually have sun visors up here and nobody can even see in here, so it's kind of nice not to be bothered while you're trying to fly a mission. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get my bird up and do a stream, and I'll talk to y'all afterwards. See you in a bit.